trip. It was a bit challenging, but I made it. Yeah, so you remember when I did the rock climbing? There it is. It's still there. Still looking nice and proud and tall. What's up guys, so it's me and I'm here to check out the tide pool and look at this view, man. It's pretty amazing. Well, not as amazing yet because we gotta go down there. So let's go. This is the trail right here. There's the trail right behind me, and it leads to the other side of, I don't know yet, I have to find out, so let's go. So guys, so I'm here at the tide pool, but I haven't found any fishes yet, because they're somewhere like down there, and I got wet, so, but it's okay, because it's just a little bit, so no worries there. So, I'm going to keep looking for the tide pool creatures, find out where they are. Maybe they're down there, fortunately, but it's okay. So let's go. So I just finished at the national park where they had the tide pools, and some of my brother got wet more than me. I wanted to get more wet. The only part that got wet of me was my foot. What? And I got little splashes, but that doesn't really count as being wet, you know? Hey, what's up guys? So it's me, and I'm about to go bowling at Brentwick, and my name is Linda. And yeah, turn up the weekend. Let's go. What? So until next time.